Okay, I touched a nerve, Mike. Have you dubbed all your VHS tapes, by the way?
Have I what?
Do you have VHS tapes at home?
I do, but they're in a box.
Okay, they deteriorate. Like literally,
what?
The iron oxide, like they may be gone already, you don't know. So if anybody has VHS tapes at home, you need to dub them to a hard drive on your computer. Some companies will do it, but they'll charge you an arm and a leg. Or you go to Best Buy or someplace and you buy a $70 thing and you attach it to your VHS machine, which I'm sure you still have.
Well, the funny thing is I already did dub any of the old home movies that were on VHS to DVD, and of course now I have to put it on the hard drive. So
DVDs also deteriorate.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's a multi-transfer process.
Folks, get your VHS movies, your home movies, off DVD and off VHS. Get them off them as soon as you can, or you will lose them forever. All right, that's it. A lot of people are talking about that all of a sudden, Mike. But they're also talking about the wall and everything that Donald Trump has signed in the last few days, and it is having an impact on the markets.
It sure is, Kevin. We're starting this day with the Dow Jones within range of 20,000, 88 points away. The TSX 47 points away from its all-time record high. We've already got records for the S&P and the NASDAQ. And in Europe this morning, we're looking at gains across the board of more than 1%. The momentum building here again to the upside for equities. Yesterday, the Dow was up 113 points. The TSX was up 130, directly correlated to what was going on at the White House. The meeting between Donald Trump and the Detroit 3 automakers saw the shares of Ford, GM, and Fiat Chrysler specifically rise on this idea of creating U.S. jobs, less regulation. Fiat Chrysler could benefit from that, considering they just got accused recently of some chicanery regarding their diesel emissions. And then we also saw shares of Keystone XL pipeline operator TransCanada Corporation hit a 52-week high at the TSX after Donald Trump signed that executive order to get the Keystone XL pipeline completed with a renegotiation to use U.S. steel. That's one of the caveats. But investors were applauding that and may do more of the same today. So we're off to a good start. We also have the Canadian dollar moving in reaction to all of this. The dollar started to move significantly to the upside yesterday after TransCanada got the go-ahead on Keystone, which should help our energy sector. So the dollar was up, continues to climb this morning. Dollar's traded within a 3-cent range plus or minus over the past week and a half. Huge volatility. Oil sliding just a little bit, gold out of favor yet again because everybody's plowing into the stock markets. And then you have earnings. CN Rail hiking its dividend, forecasting a strong 2017. This is a huge Canadian company, big economic barometer, so that bodes well. CN should be to the upside today. Teck Resources, we've talked about this one in the past. It was up another $2 yesterday at the TSX, 52-week high. Shares of Teck out of Vancouver, 617% has been the gain over 12 months. That's on the mining and metals resource renaissance. We'll also hear this morning, Kevin, from Boeing and AT&T as the earnings parade rolls on. And again, likelihood that we're going to see a record-breaking day on the markets. Back to you.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.